Alright, welcome back everyone. We're going to spend some more time in the shop because it's just too cold outside to work on the greenhouse or the mobile chicken coop. We had another 10 inches of snow yesterday and it's still snowing, and probably have to plow again tomorrow. But yeah, we're going to spend some time in the shop and do something we haven't done for a long time, and that's work on the lathe. I have a little lathe area set up in the corner there. See it collecting dust and often say to myself, yeah, I got to get back on that thing. So today's the day. And the project we're going to be doing is some carving mallets that require a round handle. So I thought that would be an easy thing to ease myself back into using the lathe. And yeah, we're going to make two carving mallets, or actually three, two of square and one round one. One traditional round carving mallet. And I have some scrap walnut and maple laying around in the shop, so we're going to use that to get the project done. But glad you could join us, and we hope that you enjoy this video. And let's get started. So for the round mallet, I'm going to take these two pieces of walnut and glue them together, and we'll have stock wide enough to get that mallet out of it. And for the square mallet, I'm going to plane down this piece of walnut to just over 1 1/4, and we'll have enough to make maybe even two. And then I'll take this piece of maple and just clean it up a bit, and we'll get our handle out of that. Well, the wood is planed down to approximate thickness. We're going to cut the walnut in half and glue it together. We're going to glue that block together, let it set, and then we'll start working on the handles. But yeah, as you're planing, you just never know what you're going to find. Nice little chunk of metal. Don't know what that is, but it wasn't evident on the outside when I started, at any rate. So this is my lathe area. I purchased this Delta X5 quite a while ago, and I added some feet on the bottom. Being 6'3", it was just way too low for me, and was always hunched over. So I added approximately 6 inches to it, brought the working area of the lathe up, which is a lot more convenient now. But I got a little area set up here for sharpening, got my basic tools set up on the wall there, sufficient lighting above, which is always a good thing for aging eyes, and yeah, nice little area to pursue a hobby. All right, well, we got our blanks glued up and clamped. We're gonna let that cure overnight, if not a bit longer. We've got 2 handles made. One turned out a little bit better than the other. Yeah, I hadn't been on the lathe for, man, it's gotta be over 2 years. So I had to reacquaint myself with the machine, but turned out okay. Didn't hurt myself, which is always a good thing. Anyway, we'll hit it again tomorrow. All right, well, that's phase 1 completed. We've got those blanks drying, we've got the handles made, and yeah, it was fun to get back on the lathe. Had that lathe purchased many years ago and don't use it very often, but always see it sitting there on the edge of the shop and thinking I should get back to it, and today we did. So it was a lot of fun, and always fun to get onto projects that you know, you have on the back of your mind but never have time for. So this was one of them, but we're glad that you could join us, and if you like this type of content, we would love it if you would subscribe and help us grow this channel. Like and share and hit that bell icon, and join us again for another video coming soon. Thanks for watching.